Hello and welcome to Okuma. Today we would like to introduce you to our new solution center in Krefeld, where we will be presenting a wide range of automation solutions. The heart of the center is a 600 square meter showroom showcasing cutting-edge CNC machining solutions, equipped with either Okuma's own automation technology or advanced partner automation systems. This area forms the vibrant core of the facility, bringing innovation to life. The Solution Center is complemented by a spacious 4-story office building offering modern space for trainings and collaborative work areas. Together they create an environment that inspires visitors and enhances close teamwork among colleagues. A special highlight is the Japanese garden, inspired relaxation area providing employees with a green oasis for restoring breaks and renewed energy. The Solution Center will be continuously updated with new automation solutions and machines. We will start our tour of the Solution Center with the Okuma LT2000 with an OGL5, Okuma's own gantry loader. With this combination you are perfectly equipped for serious production. Next up is a Multus B300. With the TA100E automation system, this machine sets new standards in multitasking. Maximum precision and maximum flexibility in a single machine. In combination with the TA200E, the system becomes an efficient production cell. Now we come to the Multus U4000, our flagship in the multitasking sector. With this machine you can achieve the most complex 6-sided machining in a single clamping and still achieve a cycle time reduction using the lower turret. Opposite to the machine we just showed you is a compact 4-axis machining center, the MS320H, with Okuma's own gantry loader. This machine center combines maximum speeds with very high precision in a compact footprint. Next you can see our LB3000 with the Accelerate 20 automation. This is one of our most successful and versatile CNC lathes. And when combined with the Accelerate 20, the system becomes an automated cell for your modern manufacturing facility. Whether you're producing small batches or running continuous production, this cell can be adapted to your production requirements. Now we come to our most economical 5-axis machining center, the Genos M460V 5AX, known for its precision, rigidity and reliability in combination with the UL100 automation system. This combination offers efficient loading and unloading of workpiece carriers and ensures continuous operation and stable cycle times. And finally, we would like to show you our precise 5-axis vertical machining center, which is designed for complex parts and tight tolerances. The MU4000V in combination with the hybrid automation ID50 allows you to achieve a new level of flexibility. The automation system automatically manages the loading, unloading and transfer from one clamp to another at the 6-sided station, with speed and repeat accuracy, keeping cycle time stable and spindle utilization high. Visit us at our new Solution Center in Krefeld and see the efficiency of our machines and automation for yourself.